Guys, whether you are an SMC trader, ICT trader, whichever, trend follower trader, you need to make sure that all your ingredients or confluence in the market are all in check before you make a decision. Okay, so today's video I want to talk about NZDCHF. Was an amazing trade, and I'll show you once again. Before this is it, you can try to zoom right here, March 15th, and of course I have that my public telegram. Let me show you before right here. Once again, March 15th, and that was when the price was moving or playing out, and you see this is somehow. Okay, let me just show you what the market was looking like and what I saw, how I did the analysis and what's up. So you see that this is how the market was looking like with the naked eyes. Okay, but you need to understand levels, key areas. Okay, of course I use trends most of the time, but I add more confidence before I make decision. I just don't come to the market and I say, okay, let me just take a buy or let me take a sell. No, I let the market communicate, and I keep on saying that, guys. The market gives out blueprints. Now over here we understand that there was this level. Let me show you right over here. That's a supply zone, and of course below here we had a demand zone. Okay, right over here this is a demand zone. So we understand that generally price is in a downtrend. Okay, this is from the daily, guys. Price has been in a downtrend for a while. Lower low, lower high, lower low, you see. So the only thing we should be looking out for are strictly sales. It doesn't matter if price giving you buys property, guys. Only look for sale property. That is if you want to be safe. That is okay. You trade with the boys. So I'll remove some of the analysis and show you what the market was doing and what I saw before taking my entry decision. So let me remove this joint right over here, this one too. Okay, now come to think of it, guys, when we talk about 90% rule, we see that okay, price has already, first thing price tried about right here, that was about 90%, then came back, that is, or I mean pulled back, went up, then completed. Now that was 100%. Now if price has already touched that supply zone of ours, we see it broke, I mean it dropped. Okay, so let's go to the H4. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. Okay, now when we go to the H4, we need to understand what the market is doing, and of course we see that okay, somehow price gave me a reversal double top, and now this is an impulse, and of course I keep on saying after an impulse expect correction and expect the market to continue. Now during this period, guys, we see we had, of course, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now I keep on saying I do trade against most of the people. Okay, now for those who don't analyze the market from the higher time frame, just go to the lower time frame, then continue analyzing your market. I believe most only come to the market and only analyze this portion. Okay, now if you do that, let me show you what you guys are missing. So if you only concentrate on this smaller portion, okay, the market will just show you that okay, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we should continue taking our buy position, because after every time price hits our support, we should continue buying. That is what all the articles talk about. So but that is not what I usually look out for. I understand that now I need price to manipulate people, go up. Okay, now when most people are taking buys, that is when I'm looking for sale, and when most people are taking sales, that is when I'm looking for buys, because I understand the market behavior. So let's see what the market did. Okay, now okay, most people have already taken their buy position, which is crazy. And now if you try, okay, now let me show you something once again. Now let's talk about this for those who take the analysis on the lower time frame, 15 minutes. I wonder what you guys are thinking. Okay, so now for those who take this entries at the 15.5, I believe they come to the market, then now look at, oh, this is what the market is doing. Okay, so let's now analyze this level. Okay, this is the more the market is doing, but forgetting that this is just a correction. So you guys are taking entries at the correction, which is a very dangerous thing. Okay, so right now when the market was doing this, I understood that there's nothing I should be doing but only look for reversal, because I understand this might be a left shoulder right here. The market goes up, That is what I anticipate. Then now comes down. When the market comes down, guys, I still expect the market to go up because some crazy people are going to take their buy position, which is an amazing thing. The moment they take their buy position, then that is when we execute, we enter. Okay, so let's see. In essence, that is now a head and shoulder thing. Okay, right there. Okay, you see right now the market is still playing out. We expect that drop right like this right over here. We expect that type of a play, guys. Understand the market to avoid manipulation. Okay, so we see, all right, right there the market then went up. So who are these people taking buy position? Of course, you guys, you think that you're right. Okay, because anytime the market touches a support, it goes up, touches a support, it goes up. So now you think that, okay, the market has given us the third touch, it should be going up. Very well, then just continue taking your buy position. And of course, I believe most stop loss are right over here, and that is when we execute. That is, I mean, we wait for market to take out all your buy stop loss and we go in for sell position. Guys, I hope I'm not confusing you. Okay, so let's see. Boom, let's go. See, that is when we in. All of your stop loss have been taken out. Then you still start asking yourself, oh, what happened? Okay, oh, the market movers are I don't know what. No, you never understood the market. Okay, I say keep on analyzing the market from the higher time frame. And if you kind of see these, guys, do this just to make another confirmation from you guys. Make this drawing like this. Let's just do this, something like this, and let me just show you something amazing. These things do correlate. I'll clone that and now see how this is an amazing thing. Let me show you. This is how amazing the trade or analysis is. So somewhere around this level like this. So you see, it makes sense. Okay, so most people think, okay, this is a double top, probably price is going to respect this and continue going up. Are you crazy? Okay, if you kind of look at this is now a downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low right here, a lower high. So why will you think that price gives you a lower low right here, then it goes lower high, then now start playing around this level? No, price will continue targeting the previous lows or previous high. So we see, okay, so just a minute, let me show you. This time we were in, and of course I'll show you something now. Those who don't respect the trend, okay, you think that this is a support level. That is why we understand that, okay, there's somehow people trying to take a buy right over here with that support level. And of course, you see price quite manipulative, trying to give you a reversal or double bottom. Okay, so it's right, confirm maybe that we should be going up, but don't forget that after an impulse we expect correction. This is an impulse, so this is just a correction or a continuation pattern before we continue, going down. And if you kind of see, this is what I'm talking about. This is kind of a continuation pattern, guys, and the price just giving you another opportunity to scale in. Okay, add in more position. Let's go. You see, that's also another opportunity that price is giving out. Okay, in fact, let me just hit that. Okay, basically the market closed on Friday, because right now I'm recording this video. This is Saturday, sorry. So that is just how the market is. Simple. Okay, I'll show you another one. Aussie USD. I gave out this idea. Let me show you. Where are you? Okay, this is a trade idea. We'll send it to, okay, let me show you. So Aussie idea, I did send this idea to my public on 14th March, and of course TP was you see that on 15th March Aussie USD smashed TP. So this was just an amazing trade and a very simple one. In fact, I never took time to understand this market. Everything was quite clear for me. So let me show you. I'll remove everything for you guys to understand. Let me take it back to the higher time frame, guys. Remember, I don't just concentrate on a smaller level. Now this is just a downtrend, guys. So why will I look for buys? So right over here, okay, we see that there is this high right here. I'll just hit that. Where is my tool? Okay, right there. Okay, we have a level right here we have another level right here, and of course we have another level right there. Okay, now guys, why can't you just understand that since price hit this as the highest level, there's that possibility that price wants to go back to retest this last lower low, because generally in a downtrend. So if we have that in mind, remember now this is just an impulse and this is just a bigger version of a correction before we continue going down crazy. Okay, so if we have that in mind, remember we have this and we have this. That's just a continuation pattern, a big version of it. Okay, impulse correction, we continue going down. So let me take it to the H4. Let me show you something. So before that move, before we did make our entry and hit the replay, where was we? I saw a reversal somewhere. Let me go back to the H1, something like a double top, I believe so. Okay, all right, so you see this is an impulse correction. Just wait for your reversal pattern, then take your entry position, guys. What's wrong with you? Look at that. So there's this level right here, take your sell position right over here, stop loss around this level, and of course initially the target should be over there, but if I remove this, remember you don't need to be greedy. You do this somehow like this, and of course clone this somewhere around that level. So it should be good for you guys to target this level, because we understand impulse correction, which in fact around this level should be the best place, because first or second time we expect that touch and let the market do its thing. Okay, and you're done. All right, that's okay, man. You don't need to complicate issues. I hope you guys just learned a very simple thing, a very simple analysis, guys. And if you do not understand what I'm talking about, kindly go back and start watching this video once again. Take it step by step, slowly by slowly, and then you'll understand what I'm trying to talk about. And check out my Telegram, link in the description box, guys. And if you want to get maybe advanced premier, one-on-one mentorship, then also hit me. Adios, amigos, peace.